Hey guys, and have a new update. I honestly don't know what that was, but I got a butterfly comb.
Me too.
Knife. No!
It's supposed to say me too.
Shut up.
Me too.
And yeah,
See?
we just unboxed them or unbagged them, whatever. And I did learn how to do some tricks. Oh crap. Yeah, I'm not that good at them though. Go away.
Ah.
Crap. Yeah. And try to do this one. It's really hard. Ah, Kelly. And I am planning ahead for Halloween and all that, but still, I'm also going to have this for flipping, all that stuff. Yeah. Oh, okay. This one is the hardest. Very hard. Yes, it did take me just today. It's because I've been practicing with like hand motions and all that, so my hands kind of used to it.
We are the spies.
Okay, I kind of got it good. Kind of. So. I'm not that good at it.
It's on my charger.
All the chaos into my house, I don't think I'm ever going to be able to use this.
Still.
Kelly, you don't need to tell him that. Still, I don't think. Yes, and it is a comb.
So it's me.
Again.
So if you want to see our videos, just
Killian. Oh my god.
Just click on James and Killian.
No, this isn't the video. That isn't the video name. So, Killian, guess what?
What?
You need. Oh,
I'll
away.
show them the part.
Ah, again.
So if you guys see
There's my hands
these
go out of
parts,
frame.
and this,
I showed him already. Oh my god, he never listens. Oh crap, I just messed up. Dang it.
Oh my God.
Okay.
It's a long video.
It's only been like 2 minutes. See? Kind of useful. Like, for that last minute. Filming. Yeah. Okay, see you guys in the next video. And I will be posting some trick videos on how to do tricks on these
On Halloween.
things. How to do tricks like this one that I'm not perfectly good at, and also this one that I am kind of good at but not completely.
Where's my charger?
See, I'm not that good at it. I'm gonna try to do it one more time and then I'm gonna end it. Watch.
My charger. Got my damn charger.
Yeah, see. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video, which is probably gonna be a trick video. See you.
Will you watch
Peace.
this?